Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error of Visual C++ runtime that you get while trying to install any program. To get started, simply search for Control Panel and open it. Then go to Programs and Features. From here, find the existing installation of Visual C++, right click over it and click on Change. Then click on Repair from here. Once the repair process is complete, see whether you can continue with the installation of the software or not. However, if you still get the error, then proceed ahead with the next method. Simply go to this web page from the link given in the video description. Then scroll down a bit. You will get the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++. From here, download both the 32 and 64-bit file. Once downloaded, install them. Once done, close everything, restart your computer for the changes to take effect, and you're good to go. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped, and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.